Welcome back to Autoland, your go-to destination for the most powerful machines and the most luxurious rides on wheels. If you love trucks, motorhomes, and everything in between, make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a unique blend of rugged trucking power and high-end comfort, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motor Home. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling luxury suite built on the bones of a legendary long-haul machine. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 T2000 Motor Home, you know you're looking at something special. Kenworth has taken its proven heavy-duty platform and transformed it into a high-tech, ultra-comfortable home on wheels. At the front, you've got the iconic aerodynamic nose of the T2000 still cutting through the wine like a blade, but with updated LED matrix headlights, a redesigned chrome grille, and adaptive air intakes that balance cooling and efficiency like never before. The exterior now features a sleek composite body with carbon fiber accents and a two-tone paint scheme that turns heads at every truck stop and campground. Under the hood, the T2000 Motorhome 2026 delivers serious performance. It's powered by a 15-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, pushing out over 515 horsepower and 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with an updated 12-speed automated transmission, this beast handles highways and inclines effortlessly for greener travel. The new hybrid assist system kicks in during cruising and low-load situations, helping improve fuel efficiency by up to 18% compared to earlier models. Add to that an advanced air ride suspension and full disc brakes with electronic stability controls, and you've got a ride that's not just powerful, but incredibly smooth and safe. But the real magic happens inside. The T2000 Motor Home takes comfort to a whole new level. Slide-out sections expand the living space to over 450 square feet, giving you the feel of a compact apartment rather than a mobile unit. Step inside and you're greeted with a modern open-plan layout featuring hardwood floors, suede leather furniture, and panoramic windows with electrochromic tint control. Whether you're parked in the mountains or near a desert plain, the view and comfort are both first-class. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-tier appliances, an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator with inventory tracking, convection microwave, and a pull-out pantry with soft close drawers. A central touchscreen hub controls everything from lighting and climate to slide-outs and security systems. There's even voice command integration with a custom AI assistant that makes living on the road effortless. Say good night and the lights dim, the blinds close, and the thermostat adjusts for sleeping comfort. The bedroom features a queen-size memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and underbed storage, while the bathroom boasts a rainfall shower, ceramic toilet, and a heated mirror with anti-fog tech. And yes, there's a full washer and dryer on board, along with solar panels on the roof that supplement power needs when you're off-grid. Entertainment-wise, the T2000 Motor Home doesn't fall short. A 55-inch retractable smart TV in the living area is paired with a surround sound system tuned for acoustic perfection. There's also a smaller TV in the bedroom and high-speed satellite internet with 5G support, so you're always connected whether you're streaming, gaming, or working remotely. Storage is abundant thanks to the custom cargo bays underneath, each climate-controlled and secured with biometric locks. Perfect for tools, bikes, camping gear, or even a small scooter. And for travelers concerned about sustainability, the onboard water purification system, gray water recycling, and 800 lithium battery pack ensure that extended boondocking isn't just possible, it's comfortable. The 2026 T2000 Motorhome is more than just an RV, it's a statement of power, independence, and smart luxury. Whether you're touring national parks, running a mobile business, or just want to live life without limits, this rig is built for the long haul in every way. That's a full tour of the Kenworth T2000 Motor Home 2026. If you loved what you saw and heard, don't forget to smash that like button and leave your thoughts in the comments. Would you live in this full time? Or use it as the ultimate vacation machine? We want to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Autoland for more in-depth coverage of the world's most epic machines. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, travel smart, and keep rolling strong. This is Autoland, signing off.